Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best watering hose is probably one of the most underrated tools in any gardener's arsenal. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting out, having the right hose can make all the difference. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of watering hoses, exploring their features, and helping you find the perfect one to keep your plants happy and healthy. Number 5. Flexi Hose 50 Feet Expandable Garden Hose. This is the Flexi hose, a lightweight and expandable garden hose. It's designed for easy use and storage, making your gardening tasks simpler. The hose expands up to 50 feet when the water is turned on. It shrinks back to its original size when the water is turned off. It features solid 3/4-inch brass connectors. These ensure a secure fit with standard outdoor taps and provide long-lasting durability. The hose has a 3750D elastic outer fabric with 4 layers of latex. This design protects the inner tube from damage. The Flexi hose is built to withstand up to 2000 uses. It can handle water pressures up to 12 bar and temperatures between 41 and 113 degrees Fahrenheit. This hose is perfect for washing, gardening, cleaning, and more. It's a heavy-duty, retractable, extendable, and collapsible solution for all your watering needs. What we like. This hose expands to 3 times its length when in use, making it incredibly convenient. Its brass fittings ensure durability and prevent leaks. If you have a large garden or need a hose that's easy to store, you should consider this one. What people say. The hose is very flexible and easy to maneuver. It is lightweight and easy to carry around the yard. The on-off valve is conveniently located on the handle. Number 4. Rocky Mountain Goods 50-Foot Soaker Hose. This is the Rocky Mountain Goods Soaker Hose. It's designed to leak water along its entire length, directly watering your plants. This is not a regular hose. The hose features a heavy-duty, double-layer design. It has a PVC liner covered in extra-strength fabric, making it durable for long-term use. This hose helps conserve water. It delivers water directly to the roots, avoiding evaporation and saving up to 70% of water compared to other methods. The hose is designed to be used at 25 to 30 psi. If it sprays, use one of the 3 pressure-reducing discs included. These discs help regulate the water flow. This weeper hose is environmentally friendly. It's perfect for vegetable gardens and various plants, providing efficient and sustainable watering. What we like. This soaker hose delivers water directly to the roots, saving up to 70% of water. It's designed for consistent dripping along its entire length. If you are looking for an efficient way to water your garden while conserving water, you should consider this. What people say. No loss of pressure and provides constant drip rate along entire length. Continuous drips along entire length compared to periodic spacing of drips. Easily turn bends compared to flat hoses. Number 3. HIRALIY 50-Foot Drip Irrigation Kit. This kit allows you to customize the water flow. You can adjust it to stop, microdrip, or spray, making it suitable for various plants in your garden. The emitters also come with a support stake for easy placement. The splitter is made of solid brass, ensuring no rust and long-lasting use. It splits the water lines and allows you to control each one individually with a convenient switch. It uses a US standard 3/4 thread size. Installation is simple and quick. Just insert the fittings and droppers, and you're ready to water your plants. A user manual is included to guide you through the process with an installation video. This irrigation system is perfect for a variety of settings. It works great for lawns, vegetable gardens, greenhouses, flower beds, and raised beds. It's a versatile solution for all your watering needs. The automatic drip irrigation kit includes everything you need. It comes with 50 feet of tubing, a brass splitter adapter, T-connectors, and blue drip emitters. It has all the accessories to get you started. What we like. This kit allows you to customize the water flow for different plants. It's easy to set up and comes with everything you need. If you like the idea of a DIY irrigation system for your garden, you should consider this. What people say. Worked great for watering our deck plants. Combined with a timer, it saved our plants while we were out of town. Easy to set up and use. Easy to install and set up, but it kills the water pressure. Number 2. SPECILITE 3850 feet lightweight coil garden hose. This is the new SPECILITE coil garden hose. It's designed to make your watering tasks easier and more efficient. The innovative rotatable handle reinforces the connection. This makes it easy to grip and connect, preventing leaks and breaks. Made with EVA material, this hose is much lighter than others. Anyone can easily use it, from women to children. Forget about coiling and organizing. After use, it retracts and fits in any small space, keeping your yard tidy. The EVA hose is anti-wear and freeze-resistant, perfect for various environments. It can easily bypass obstacles without being scratched. It comes with a 6-way nozzle to meet all your needs. The ergonomic handle is comfortable and prevents slipping. If you have any issues, contact us. We're here to help resolve any problems you may encounter. What we like. This hose is incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver, perfect for anyone. It's also easy to store due to its coiled design. If you are looking for a hose that's easy to handle and store, you should consider this. What people say. Good quality and easy to use. Doesn't get tangled and is very lightweight. Stretches easy and coils back seamlessly. Good flow. There are absolutely no leaks anywhere, and the flow through the hose is at least 50% stronger than the old one, even though the hose diameters are the SAE. 3/8 inches. How that happened I do not know. The flow rate has not been something that concerned me because I primarily use it to water hanging plants along my 36-foot long deck. I would use to fill a bird bath about 15 feet away, but the stream would barely reach, but this new hose sprays another 15 feet beyond. That's a 50% more water force. It does not kink at all. The best. 1. I first noticed the long nozzle protectors at either end. 2. Then a little bag pops out with washer and plumber's tape, which I did not need this time. 3. The shower is directly next to the jet spray, one slight twist and you have both. I always use one of these two settings, so I found it very useful in that respect. Number 1. 2025 Flat Soaker Hose 100 feet. This soaker hose uses a clog-resistant fabric cover for consistent, slow soaking. It delivers water evenly across its entire length, ensuring your plants get the hydration they need. It waters the base of the plants, reducing leaf damage. The hose is end-to-end connectable, making it perfect for a DIY irrigation system. You can place it above ground or bury it under mulch. It works well with timers and connects easily to garden hose threads. This hose features a double-layer design with extra-strength fabric to protect it from sun damage. It's made of environmentally friendly recycled vinyl, safe for your garden. It's perfect for vegetables and herbs. The flat design is kink-resistant and easy to roll up and store. The flat shape also makes it simple to snake under existing plant growth, saving your time and effort. This product comes with a 1-year warranty. For best results, ensure a water pressure of 40 to 90 psi. Remember, hot water is not suitable for use with this hose. What we like. This flat soaker hose is linkable, allowing you to customize the length to fit your needs. It saves up to 80% of water with its efficient design. If you have a large garden or need to cover a specific area, you should consider this. What people say. The hose is very flexible and easy to maneuver. It is lightweight and easy to carry around the yard. The adjustable nozzle is a nice feature, allowing for different spray patterns. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.